My name is Katsuji Tanabe, and I'm the executive chef and owner of Averde in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today, I'm semi-cooking something. It's a torta. What's a torta? It's the Mexican sandwich. It has nice crunch, nice crema inside, spiciness, herbs, acidity. It's a perfect dish. So I have here, let me show you, chicken milanesa or breaded chicken, refried black beans, sour cream. This is just mayonnaise, but it's a Mexican mayonnaise. It has a little bit of MSG and it's made with lime juice. So the sour level is gonna be so much higher than your regular American mayonnaise. Tomatoes, onions, cilantro maybe, chilies, chipotles. This is called quesillo, and it's a very simple mozzarella. You can pull it apart, and bread. So this is called telera or bolillo. You find this at any Mexican market. It's very important to either put it in your oven or pan fry it a little bit. In this case, we're gonna pan fry it after we do the chicken milanesa. Cooking part. I have a very hot skillet. I have a little bit of lard, because lard makes everything taste amazing. Now, I'm gonna go with my chicken milanesa. As soon as you put something on a hot pan, make sure you move it just like this so then it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. While that's happening, let's talk about the bread. I like to remove the edges and I cut it in half. And then the mayonnaise. Smear the mayonnaise. So I'm gonna go and check on my chicken. So it's been a couple of minutes. I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna let it cool down a little. We are gonna take our bread that has the mayonnaise, and then it's gonna go like this. I wanna get it nice and crispy. Let's start building our torta. We go back to the Mexican mayonnaise, go heavy on the mayo. Then on the other side, I have some refried black beans. We're gonna take the chicken, put it in there. Then the vegetables. Tomatoes. I like to go with Roma tomatoes because they're not as big as the 4x5 or the vine-ripe tomatoes and still has a lot of flavor. You make sure you put some sea salt on top of your tomatoes, some red onion, paper thin slice, that's the secret. So this is a can of adobo chipotles. They're smoky, they're sweet, obviously they're spicy. Then the queso Oaxaca or quesillo. And now sour cream. We're gonna go heavy with this. And now we put it together.